Welcome to this episode of Estate Planning Secrets Revealed, where we are unveiling legal insights that you need to master estate planning for complex property portfolios. I am your host, Attorney Tony Bell, and today we are going to be delving into the world of estate planning for multiple rental properties. Whether you are a seasoned investor or whether you are an ambitious beginner, this episode is just for you. So, when you have multiple rental properties, it can be incredibly rewarding, but it also comes with unique estate planning challenges. The stakes are higher and the complexities are greater. However, your goal is to ensure that the property investments continue and that they will thrive and be able to provide for your loved ones after you pass away. Estate planning isn't just about managing wealth, it's about preserving your legacy. And so, managing a diverse rental property portfolio requires a well thought out strategy. This is while you're alive, as well as a strategy in an estate plan for when you are no longer alive. So, how do you ensure that each property is managed effectively? And also that the income is distributed as you intend. These are very important considerations. What some people do, and in one of our previous episodes for rental property owners here, we discussed holdings. And usually when you are at the level where you have multiple rental properties, you already know that you probably at that point should not be holding your rental properties as an individual or as a partnership, but you've graduated to putting them into different trusts or different LLCs or a combination thereof. It's important that you have this clearly established and delineated in your estate plan, because after you're gone, the complexities only grow, because while you're here, you are keenly and very aware of the complexities of income that comes from each source, how it's distributed. You're already aware of that, but after you're gone, who is going to know how to manage this and the things to look out for if you don't put it into writing in your estate plan? So this is extremely important, and you might want to consider designating specific individuals to oversee properties based on their strengths. And you can do this in a trust. You can do this in with different tools in order to appropriate income as well as responsibilities. And these are key things that you're going to want to sit down with your attorney and talk about, because there are complexities, and if it's not done correctly, it can cause tremendous problems for your family. And the very thing that you wanted to be a blessing to them will turn out to become a curse. And so we don't want that to happen. We want everything in writing ahead of time. And so as you navigate the intricate landscape of estate planning for multiple rental properties, seek guidance from legal professionals who are experienced with rental properties, and because there are nuances that you need to consider, whether they're nuances of property tax, property law, inheritance. Trusts can and should be established in order to lay out instructions for how to allow this portfolio to grow even more so. And so I just want to encourage you today Do not sleep on this. Get in contact with a legal professional who can help you to establish your estate plan. Multiple rental properties produce greater complexities that must be addressed. And if you do it the right way, your legacy can be preserved for generations to come. I'm attorney Tony Bell. This has been an episode dedicated to rental property owners, especially ones who own multiple rental properties. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Estate Secrets Revealed. I'll see you in the next episode. Take care.